Hello, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to do a text glitch effect on Adobe After Effects. It's super easy and simple. Let's jump right into it. So start by grabbing a text tool, which is Command T, or found up here, and write the text you want to type. So glitch effect tutorial. Let's align it using the align tool, centered horizontally and vertically. Let's make ours a little bit smaller because it's off screen slightly. And just realign it. Next, you're going to need a glitch video effect. So you can find them on YouTube. There's dozens you can use. I am using one by Cantuous Arts. I cannot pronounce that. I feel like I probably butchered the pronunciation for that. They've got three free ones here. You can just go download off their website. I'll leave a link to this video in the description below. Okay, once you've got that, let's drag that into our composition. Just overlay it. Let's just turn off the sound for that one. Grab the displacement map effect, which can be found probably on the right over here. Add that to our text effect. From here, let's select our glitch background HD free layer. So now when we hit play, let's hide that. We don't want that actually visible. Let's make sure the video is hidden. Now when you hit play, you've got a little glitch effect here. Very laggy. Yep, so we got a little slight glitch effect. So if you're happy with that, good. But you can customize this quite a bit more. So what we're going to want to do is adjust the max horizontal display so it glitches a bit more. So if you want to distort it more, like so. So now when we hit play, I think this looks quite cool. So what we're going to want to do next is just turn it off for a second. So we just got that. Command C, Command V, copy it. Let's rename it glitch effect red. And then Command V again and name it glitch effect blue. Let's grab the tutorial and drag it to the top. Grab blue. Let's hide the top one and the red one. Select blue. Change the colour of it to blue. And change the colour of the red one to red. And now we've got three colours. Let's grab blue and just offset it to the right slightly. And do the red to the left, and then with the displacement map, so change the vertical displace to red on the red, and then the blue, let's change the horizontal displacement to blue, and then the vertical displacement to blue also, so it just slightly changes it. I think it uses the blue from the displacement video. So let's make sure it's turned on for all the videos. It is, so let's hit play. They're slightly out of line, so let's grab our tutorial one and just move it up a bit and back to the left so they're all in line. Now if we hit play, that could be why, because the displacement map layer was not selected. So what you need to do is make sure the displacement map layer is selected for all of those. Now if you hit play, move the red up a bit. So you've got quite a nice little easy glitch effect here. Fully customizable, you can make it as distorted or eligible as you like. What we're going to do now is select these three. Let's leave the top one. Let's split layer for the top one. Yeah, select all three actually. Edit, select, split layer. And then what you can do is delete red 2 and blue 2 if you wish. And then with glitch tutorial 2, all you need to do is turn off displacement map. So then, after it's done glitching, it will jump to normal, what we want to do maybe is move that down slightly so it's in line with the rest of it. Let's jump this way to here so we can see it. Got a nice little glitch. And then pop. It is the title. So that's our glitch effect. Super easy, super simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you've got any questions about this tutorial, then comment it down below. Or if you've got any requests for any specific tutorial, then make sure you also comment down below and ask request what you want to see. I'll see you guys in the next video.